Adding a shared calendar in Outlook desktop client. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add a shared calendar in the Outlook desktop client. This is not the web app. This is the desktop program that is installed on your computer. Also, this applies to calendars that have been created at special request at the district level. For example, a computer lab calendar or a shared resource calendar. This does not apply to how you would add a calendar that an individual person has created and shared with you. We have different instructions for that. So let's say I'm a teacher at Pickett Elementary and I want to be able to quickly check the computer lab calendars. What I'm going to do, I'm already in the calendar view of my Outlook 2010 desktop application. I'm going to come up here to the ribbon and click on Open Calendar. And then I'm going to click From Address Book. And in the search field, I'm just going to search for Pickett. All of the calendars we create for campuses start with the campus name. And you can see here that I have Pickett Computer Labs, a Pickett Elementary calendar. That's probably a campus shared calendar. I'm just going to choose Pickett Computer Lab 307. If I double click on it, it moves down into this field at the bottom. And now I click OK. And notice that over here in my calendars list, a rooms group has showed up, and there's the Pickett Computer Lab 307 calendar. It also showed up on my screen next to my personal Outlook calendar. You can look at the tabs at the top of each calendar to see what you're looking at. The blue calendar is mine because it just says calendar, so your personal calendar will just say calendar, and then any shared calendars you're looking at will have the name of the calendar. If I want to be able to see this a little bit better, I can click this X to close my calendar, and now I can read a little bit better what's going on in the computer lab. If I'm not sure what calendar I'm on, over here in my list, I can see which calendar is checked. I can also look at the top of the screen. When I only have one calendar open, it will tell me exactly which calendar that is. So depending on how the calendar is set up, you may or may not have rights to add appointments directly to the calendar. If you do, you just double click the day and put in the appointment just like you would on any other calendar. If you don't, then there is probably a procedure at your campus for how to reserve the lab, and you'll just have to find that out from your campus personnel. To get back to viewing my own personal calendar, I just need to come over here, check Calendar under My Calendars, and then if I no longer want to view the Pickett Computer Lab calendar, I can simply uncheck it in this list, and now I'm looking just at my personal calendar. So that's all there is to it. To add a calendar, just to review, you simply go to Open Calendar, From Address Book, search for your campus name, and then select the calendar that you want to add by double clicking it and click OK. And there we go. I've added a second calendar just by doing that review with you. If you have any questions, please put a ticket into Eduforia Help Desk. Thanks and have a great day.